Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Coinbase on your phone. First, you'll want to download the official Coinbase application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure your device meets the minimum operating system requirements for optimal performance. Once the download is complete, simply tap the icon to open the application and begin the setup process. It's a quick and easy first step to getting started with cryptocurrency. Next, you'll create your Coinbase account. Tap the Get Started button and accurately enter your full legal name and your primary email address. Then, choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After submitting, check your email inbox for a verification link from Coinbase. Click this link to confirm your email address and proceed to the next crucial step in setting up your account. Now it's time to verify your identity, a standard security measure. You'll need to provide some personal details like your date of birth, full street address, and occupation. Then, upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Finally, complete a quick selfie verification by following the on-screen prompts. This process typically takes only a few minutes and helps keep your account secure and compliant. The final step is linking a payment method to your Coinbase account. You can choose to link a bank account for larger transactions or a debit card for instant purchases. Follow the secure prompts to connect your chosen financial institution. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once linked, you're all set to explore the world of cryptocurrency, buying and selling digital assets with ease and confidence. Welcome to Coinbase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.